Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Zendesk ticket system. In this walkthrough, you'll learn the basic flow for opening a ticket, reviewing it, replying to the requester, and updating the ticket details. This is a simple process, and once you know where each section is located, it becomes much easier to manage tickets efficiently. To begin, open Zendesk and go to the Home area for tickets. This is your main starting point and gives you access to the ticket workspace. If you are already signed in, you should land on the agent view where ticket activity and navigation options are available. From there, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Views. Views help organize tickets into useful lists, so this is often the quickest way to find the ticket you need. If you're new to Zendesk, think of Views as filtered categories that group tickets based on status, assignment, or other criteria. Once the Views panel opens, locate the sample ticket and select it. Clicking the ticket will open the full ticket page where you can see the conversation history, ticket information, and available actions. This is the main workspace you'll use when handling support requests. To reply to the ticket, move to the bottom text box in the center section of the screen. This is where you enter your response. Type your message clearly and make sure your reply is appropriate for the customer or internal audience, depending on the type of response you are sending. Before sending, it's always a good idea to quickly review your wording for accuracy and tone, especially if the message includes instructions or resolution details. If you need to customize or update the ticket, use the Details section on the left side of the ticket view. This area allows you to enter or adjust ticket information. Depending on your setup, this may include fields such as status, priority, assignee, tags, or other internal details. Keeping these fields accurate is important because it helps your team stay organized and makes reporting more reliable. As you work, remember that the center of the screen is mainly for the conversation itself, while the left side is used for managing ticket properties. Understanding that layout can save time and help prevent mistakes. That's the basic process for using the Zendesk ticket system. Open Zendesk, go to Views, select the ticket, respond in the reply box, and update the ticket details as needed. With just a little practice, this workflow will feel natural and efficient.